There is an unrealistic thing, and that thing is everywhere in this world. We as human beings are driven by that thing as a community and as an individual. What is that unrealistic thing? It is fear. Fear is not real. Fear doesn't really exist. Fear is purely an imagination. Every individual fears the outcome of his acts. Graduates fear about a good job, if they will get it or not. Students fear their grades. Lovers fear about the possible rejection. Parents fear the future of their child. But why do you fear? Why are you afraid? Will you die because of these failures? Will you die if you don't get good grades? There are thousands of successful people who did not get good grades, but they are happy and rich and successful. Why do you fear of rejection? That won't be the end of life. Why would you worry about failing? Why do you worry about falling? It won't kill. Any failure is just a step to learn further. Then why do you fear this natural learning process? Why fear any loss? There is always a new beginning. Why do you fear old age? It is just a number. Remember, those who pray for long life doesn't really count the long old age that comes with it. So why fear? It is this fear that keeps you stuck to the past, that pulls you back, that makes you weak, that becomes a big block, a big hurdle in your path to success. It is not real. It doesn't really exist. Why do you fear? You see the world the way your mind wants to show. It is all there in your mind. Fear in mind will show you a world with barriers and hurdles of impossible things. Positive mind will show a world full of opportunities. Fear makes you believe that everything is impossible. Fear makes you believe that you are worth nothing. Fear makes you believe that everything and everybody is against you. And fearless mind? Fearless mind will make you believe that everything is possible. Everything is achievable. Your dreams are achievable. Your personality is just a reflection of your mind. Your actions are a reflection of your mind. If you have fear in your mind, your personality and actions too will be very negative. If you think you can do, then you can do. If you think you can't, then you really can't do. Although you might have all the powers in this universe. Don't fall in trap of this fear. Don't worry about things you can't change. Don't make yourself a prisoner of your own fear. Get out of that fear and focus on something that you can really do, something that you can change, something that you really can achieve. Do your best. Give your best to anything and everything. And forget. Results are just byproduct of your actions, thoughts and hard works all combined. And failure is just a phase and not the end. Learn from it. Enjoy it equally as you enjoy success. Fear is the king of negativity and all the negative energies. Everything that you see bad around you and around the world is just the reflection or the manifestation of that dirty fear. It destroys individuals. It destroys energy. It kills creativity. It kills positivity and it kills the energy within you. Explore your true potentials. Explore your true self as they are real. Start seeing each failure or challenge as an opportunity and you will succeed. Let your child fall and get back on its feet. Don't fear the fall, as it will only help him move a step ahead in self-reliance and positivity. Your 1,000 sermons of how not to fall will not teach your child anything, but one fall will teach him to not to fall in his entire life. Don't fear the society, because the society eventually backs the fearless. We have human history that is full of such fearless people in different eras, leading us, showing us the right path. So kill the fear. Get out of that trap. Get out of that prison. Make yourself what you are. Make yourself the most powerful person on this earth by killing that fear. Get rid of that fear.